Chalk. How are you doing today? I'm trying to hit things. I hope you are doing well. When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. I'm Chantel, Telly's Talking Chalk, the Chalk Couture designer. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. If I'm not seeing your comments, please like and follow the business page. And if you would like, join my VIP group, Telly's Talking Chalk VIP. Very simple. As long as you're not a designer yourself. I'm just going to get this shared out. If it'll let me. If you are new, hashtag newbie in the comments. And let me know where you're coming in from. If you are on the replay, hashtag replay and let me know where and when you saw this. Keep in mind, we do have Black Friday sales going on right now, so if you check out the website in the description, you can find all of the deals. So again, we're going to work on some more of these ornaments. We did this one yesterday, which we still have to do the back side. And then this one we did yesterday as well, but we will do the back side again. So I'm thinking what I might want to do is put each one of these on the back side of the other one. I think is what I'm going to do. Oh, I didn't wash off that one. Maybe I'm not. All right. Guess I didn't wash off the one. Hello, how are you? I can't see who's on with me right now, but say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Oh, it's Carolyn. Hi, Carolyn. It's not giving me the bubble. I can't see it. There's a little bubble that normally pops up. Is my red not there? Red. Give me 1 second. I'm going to try and figure out what I've done with my red. I could have sworn it was here 2 minutes ago. Over here. know, aren't they adorable? I love them too. I think they're so cute. Alright, so I think I was gonna put these on the back, but I can't right now, only because I didn't wash off the one transfer. Washed off the one, but not the other. So I'm gonna work on 2 other ones instead, and then we'll work on the backs of them next time. So I'm just gonna line this up really nicely. Hey Steph, if you're still on. I should start just randomly yelling out names and see if anybody responds. Because it doesn't end up telling me that who's on, even if we're friends, until after they're gone, I think. Half the time, so it's really strange. Does anybody else notice that? Trying to center this up as good as possible. Totally just gonna stick this down. I didn't fuzz it, but it doesn't seem as sticky. So again, my red is nice and moist because I put a bunch of water in it the other day and it hasn't dried out yet, so we're good. You want it creamy so that it will go through the transfer. And these are reusable transfers, 8 to 12 times. And we're gonna scrape up all the excess paste because we can reuse that as well. Make sure that there's no bubbles where you're gonna have to chalk. And I am only using the chalk paste, not the ink, because this is going on wood, so we're not gonna wash it anyway, so I don't need to use ink to keep it on there. So I'm just scraping all the excess off so that I can put it back in my jar. Went over the one that's over here. I'm going to move him into the way before I accidentally get him. How's everybody doing today? Is anybody doing anything special? I know tomorrow's Thanksgiving in the US. Anybody actually able to get together? So I'm just going to put that word there for now. What word should we put in the middle? I've got Noel, peace, love, and joy. We used love yesterday, so if we could use one of the other ones. So that's just a little bit of detail that they've got on them. Does anybody have any suggestions? I don't think I will use peace. I think I might have to use joy because it's got the dots around the sides, and the Noel and the peace have either dots or actual lines across the middle, or across the outside. So I think I'm going to use joy. This one. So I want to make sure that it's nice and dry, so I'm just going to wait a minute. It does dry pretty quickly, so that's okay. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask away. If you would like to know about Chalk Tour, #Chalk. If you would like to know about Club Tour, #Club. If you would like to join either one, #join and either Club or Chalk, depending on which one you want. If you are watching the replay, #replay, I will get back to you if you answer anything or ask anything. So please go ahead and let me know. So I'm just putting a little bit down, scraping it across. I know most people say to go in one direction. I have a tendency not to, but here's our first one. I'm just waiting for the I'll do the Noel next. And then I think when I'm done, I'm going to put them all on a string and string them together. I think it would be really cute as like a little string ornament thing that you put on your tree. It's kind of why I'm keeping them the same color right now. So I'm just scraping up all the excess again. Helps for when cleaning transfers as well. There we go. See, and it's so simple. It takes 2 seconds. I'm glad I'm not ending my life. It's only been like 15 minutes. Although I could. But. When you jump on, let me know how long you typically would stay on a live for. I'm trying to gauge interest and find out how long people have to invest in watching lives. I know I have some people that stay on most times all the way through, and then sometimes they don't, so it's just curious. And if there's a better time for you to spend more time on it, when is that? Just trying to scrape up all the excess again. Make sure that it went through all of the places that it's supposed to. I was about to show you this instead of the actual piece. Silly me. So there's that one. So we have love, this little guy, Noel, peace, enjoy. So I think that's going to be all for today. I'll be back on again tomorrow at 2. And I will see you guys then.